Hi, Kristen here, and I am on part 2 of making hard cider from fresh juice. The juice was in my pail and fermented for only 72 hours, and then it hit the specific gravity that I want it at. I want a semi-sweet hard cider, so I was hoping to stop it at 1.010, but it went a little bit faster than I expected, so I actually ended up stopping it at 1.008, which is still semi-sweet. And at this point I need to make sure that the yeast do not ferment any of the sugar that's left in it, so I'm going to stop it with potassium sorbate, which is a stabilizer, and potassium metabisulfate. I've mixed it in a 1/4 cup of water. I mixed a 1/4 teaspoon of potassium metabisulfite and a 1/2 teaspoon per gallon of the potassium sorbate. I have 5 gallons, so I used 2.5 teaspoons of the sorbate. Next, all I need to do is drop it into the carboy, and it's going to stop it. Then I just need to stir it up. Sometimes it likes to overflow a little bit. Doesn't need much stirring, just a little bit. There it goes. That's it. That's all I have to do to make the hard cider. Now I'm just going to let it sit for a month to clear up. Put the airlock on, of course, and make sure that the airlock stays full of sanitizer or water or vodka so that it doesn't get exposed to oxygen. And I'm going to be drinking this in 1 month, so it's going to be ready for me just in time for Thanksgiving.